Good morning. This morning we're making Coney Island omelets. Put a little bit of butter in the pan, and you start out with hot dog pieces. And some of you may remember, some of you may not, but when we were young, we would have bologna and eggs for breakfast. You take a piece of flat bologna, you put it in a pan like this, and they would always cup up and have a bubble, and you flip it over. We're going to toast these on each side. That's good enough. Alright, and then so you got a half a hot dog, and make sure you use the real hot dog, the one with the natural casing hot dogs. I got 2 eggs. Good sized tablespoon of onion, and a nice tablespoon of diced up green peppers, and then you sort of get your egg to move a little bit. You're building peaks in the middle, so it'll give your omelet some thickness. And the missus wants cheese on hers, so we're going to put a little cheese in here. This happens to be Swiss. Is there any cheese you like? She likes Swiss, she's getting Swiss. And I'm going to just maybe cook this omelet 50 to 60%. And then I'll put it in the warming pan and get the other omelet going. Hot dogs in there for the next omelet. Out. Put this in here. A little bit of butter. Get them toasted on both sides. There you go, all your ingredients are in. We move it around a little bit here. The pan seemed to have cooled off, I just turned it up. Yeah, get some depth built up in this omelet. It's cool out, and the plates were cold coming out of the cabinets, so I warm them up in the microwave so I can serve a warm meal. So those plates are nice and warm. If you look closely, you can see some of the moisture on the onions and peppers is sizzling right there. So that means the other side's nice and brown. So we're going to turn this over. Let it cook a little bit longer on that side, then flip it back. Alright, we're going to flip this over. That's got a nice color. We'll cook this other side for a second. I'll just shut the cooktop off. This omelet's done. A little bit of extra goodies here. And if you notice, I use a round pan, and I got the round edges of the omelets on the plate. And now we can grab the toast, and we can put the toast on the plate. And this toast just happens to be homemade sourdough bread, which makes a great toast. Okay, so there it is. We're going to enjoy our breakfast. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and also allows you to see my varied content.